my channel. Today I am going to be saying a few lines on the topic World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28 July annually around the world. It increases awareness about protecting the natural resources and to make people understand about the importance of nature. World Nature Conservation Day recognizes that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and productive society. It also ensures the well-being of future generations. The main aim of World Nature Conservation Day is to come together and protect nature and not to exploit it. Conservation is the wise management of natural resources. We all depend on natural resources like water, air, soil, minerals, trees, animals, food, and gases like oxygen for our daily lives. There are several threats to nature like deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, pollution, use of plastic, chemicals, etc. Industry developments and other factors are also responsible for depletion of nature. We are facing a lot of problems due to imbalance in nature such as global warming, natural disasters, various diseases, and much more. The only solution to overcome these problems is to preserve the natural resources by creating awareness to people and encouraging them to protect the environment for present and future generations. We can conserve our nature by planting trees, not wasting water, reducing electricity, recycling waste, and using paper or cloth bags instead of plastic bags. So on this day, let us make conscious efforts to contribute to local, national, and global efforts in conserving nature and the benefits they provide for present and future generations. Let us remember the encouraging words of Mahatma Gandhi. The earth provides enough for man's needs, not man's greed. Thank you.